Today, let's listen this doctor, his journey of a non-surgical approach to maximize his hair growth.
Hi, I'm Dr. Karthik from Ipoh. This is regarding my recovery of my hair, which I have been losing since 2010. So since I noticed I've been balding, I was worried, but can't do much. And I decided to visit Dr. Jasjit. My balding got worsened. So it is very saddening that I can't even comb my hair and have to keep my hair very short at the time. So first, after meeting Dr. Jasjit, he advised me to go for non-surgical approach on hair treatment. He told me that there is follicles which is active, which can be reactivated through the non-surgical way. So I choose to go with that approach. After 8 sessions of the non-surgical approach, I got a very satisfactory result, which I'm very happy now. I eventually now can comb my hair and I can even stylish my hair, which I was not able to do it before. I'd like to thank Dr. Jasjit again for all the effort and the treatment and advice which was given promptly for me to follow, and I'm happy to be what I am now. Thank you.